Hello and welcome to the Chop Busters. Today we're showing you 20 amazing tools that will upgrade your workshop and make your projects easier and more fun. Gouge Jig. The Gouge Jig makes sharpening gouges, V-tools, luthier knives, and even carbide cutters easy. It gives repeatable, precise edges so your lathe doesn't judge you. Works with Tormek T4, T8, and Classics, plus the TTS 100 for spot-on angles. Bonus, it sharpens with the wheels flow, not against it. 60-inch Moveable Work Bench. The 60-inch Moveable Work Bench is built for maximum strength and performance, featuring a super heavy-duty design with a 1/4-inch steel tabletop. Its innovative one-hand swiveling drawers open and close smoothly, without bearings or slides, ensuring long-lasting durability and resistance to dirt and dust. Diamond wheels and multi-base. Diamond wheels and the multi-base from Tormek are engineered to work with their water-cooled sharpening system, offering woodworkers ideal conditions for maintaining razor-sharp edge tools. The diamond wheels maintain a constant diameter and shape, allowing sharpening on the side of the wheel with the multi-base to achieve a completely flat bevel. Drill press vise. The drill press vise clamps on easily. Tables up to 2 inches thick, beware. Made in China, it grips parts securely, stays stable while you drill, and fits neatly in workshops or home setups. Tough, compact, and dependable. Basically the vise that won't run off while you're working. KAP305JL. The KAP305JL offers extremely quiet and smooth operation thanks to its belt-driven saw unit. The saw head can be tilted and rotated from -45 degrees to +45 degrees, providing excellent versatility for angled cuts. It features an extendable backstop and a narrow laser line that precisely marks the cutting line. Folding workbench. The folding workbench handles heavy-duty loads up to 450 kilograms. Bring on the big projects. Its 85 by 61 centimeter surface gives plenty of room, and it loves Stanley Fatmax clamps. Dog holes and X-grooves keep wood, metal, or plastic clamped at any angle. Tough, versatile, and ready to survive your DIY chaos. Hydraulic spreader. The battery-powered hydraulic spreader by Edelgrappa delivers 17.7 tons of spreading force with a 625 millimeter reach, making it ideal for vehicle extrication and rescue operations. Lightweight at 21.5 kilograms and powered by DeWalt FlexVolt 18 volts batteries with a 54-volt brushless motor, it offers cordless, high-performance operation. Felix Machine Vise. The Felix Machine Vise is a beefed-up, safer, and sharper version of the award-winning Flot Felix. Cast body, precision jaws, and patented clamp keep it put while you work. Big clamping range, prism jaws, and easy mounting on any drill with included screws and T-slot nut. No wiggling allowed. Matco Palm Air Impact Wrench. The Matco Palm Air Impact Wrench is a compact and powerful tool designed for easy access in tight spaces, measuring just 3 5/16 inches long by 2.5 inches wide with a low-profile trigger. Despite its small size, it delivers 400 foot-pounds of breakaway torque through a twin hammer, reactionless mechanism that prevents twisting of the hand under full throttle. Tool case. The tool case features a base tray that can be subdivided with flexible inserts and a cover plate with 6 large push-in compartments secured by press buttons. It is reinforced with a circumferential double aluminum frame and can support a maximum load of 44.09 pounds, providing durable and organized storage for tools and accessories. Joker Magnetic Strip. The Joker Magnetic Strip is a tough aluminum rail that holds up to 11 spanners with strong magnets and clamping springs. No slipping, no hiding. Mounted on metal or a wall for instant tool organization. Durable, sleek, and tidy, because your workspace shouldn't look like a tornado hit it. 12-inch Variable Speed Drill Press. The 12-inch Variable Speed Drill Press packs a 5-amp motor, 12-inch swing, and 3 1/8-inch spindle travel. Adjust speeds from 580 to 3,200 RPM with a digital readout for precision. At 85 pounds and 16.8 by 13.5 by 36.6 inches, it's stable, versatile, and ready for any project. ToolCheck Modular. The ToolCheck Modular system lets you mix, match, and expand for ultimate tool organization. Includes rigid adapter 9549 and flexible hinge 9550, so 2 units fold neatly for space-saving storage. Quick access, tidy workspace, perfect for pros or anyone tired of hunting for a wrench. HBX Handsaws. The HBX Handsaws feature a hardened 1mm thick blade and a unique 3-phase grinding process, which makes the saw highly efficient, stable, and capable of producing neat chip-free cuts. The 3-phase grinding angles reduce the effort required for fine, high-precision cuts. It also features a robust blade guard with a quick-release mechanism for easy removal and reattachment. Threaded Rod Cutter. The Rod Cut threaded rod cutter cleanly trims rods 6, 7, 8, and 10 millimeters wide, leaving burr-free ends. Its adjustable 650mm stop works left or right, handling damaged rods too. Designed for M7 rods with 150mm pitch, it cuts up to 10 millimeters. Perfect for heating and sanitary jobs. Folding Scraper. The folding scraper makes paint, gasket, adhesive, and sticker removal easier and safer. Its butterfly fold hides the blade when not in use, and a handle lock keeps it secure when open. With a strong blade locking mechanism, it scrapes smoothly with zero wiggle because nobody likes surprise cuts. Diagonal Cutting Pliers. The Milwaukee diagonal cutting pliers are designed for professional use, delivering easy cuts and a long-lasting edge. Featuring an optimized pivot point, they provide excellent leverage for cutting wires, screws, and other standard hardware. The laser-hardened edge ensures extended cut life, while the smooth open and close action requires no break-in period. RECIPRO Saw. The Makita cordless reciprocating saw tackles tough cuts with Makita's 40-volt Max XGT battery power. Its brushless motor boosts efficiency and tool life, while variable speed control ensures precision. Swap blades tool-free and work longer with an ergonomic handle, so you cut more and complain less. PDR Glue Repair. The PDR Glue Repair Kit is a hand-powered dent puller that fixes small vehicle dents. Paint stays safe. Includes adjustable feet, 28 glue pads, and a hole straightener for precise paintless repairs with a hot melt glue gun. Compact, versatile, and easy to handle. Perfect for dents on the go. Microduct Slit and Ring Tool. Microduct Slit and Ring Tool is designed for fast, safe access to 10mm microducts, providing precision and reliability for fiber technicians. Compact and lightweight at under 6 ounces, it slits and rings microducts without damaging the fibers inside. Thanks for watching the Chop Busters. Like, share, and subscribe for more great tool finds. See you next time.